Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python Pipenv for environment management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Python Pipenv for environment management, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. You can check if Python is already installed by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing Python version. If Python is not installed, download it from the official Python website and follow the installation instructions. Once Python is confirmed to be installed, the next step is to install pip, the package installer for Python. Pip typically comes pre-installed with Python versions 3.4 and above. You can verify pip is installed by running pip version in your command prompt or terminal. Now, to install Pipenv, type the following command, pip install Pipenv. Press enter to execute the command. The installation process will download and install Pipenv, which may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, verify it by typing Pypenv version in your command prompt or terminal. If the command returns the Pypenv version number, the installation was successful. Next, navigate to your project directory where you want to set up the virtual environment. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your project folder. Once inside your project directory, run the command pipenv install to create a new pip file for your project. Pipenv will automatically create a virtual environment and install any required packages listed in the pip file. To activate the virtual environment, use the command pipenv shell. This opens a subshell with the virtual environment active, allowing you to run your project with the isolated environment. To exit the virtual environment, simply type exit and hit enter. You can manage your project dependencies by editing the pip file directly or using the pipenv install package name command to add new packages. To uninstall a package, run pipenv uninstall package name. You can check the installed packages and their versions at any time by typing pipenv graph. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your Python environments and dependencies with Pipenv. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.